How much do ballroom dance lessons cost? Many people secretly want to learn how to dance. Especially for those who have no experience in dancing, the first steps of the dance studio can be overwhelming. Is the cost of enrolling in a dance class overwhelming too? How much do ballroom dance lessons cost? Ballroom dancing is a social and competitive set of partner dances popular around the world. It is widely performed on stage, TV, and film because it is entertaining. It was first performed in the 16th century, originally as a peasant dance. Today, many people from different walks of life enjoy ballroom dancing. In fact, some ballroom dancers have already made a good living out of it by becoming dance instructors. A single class can cost anywhere from $3 to a few $100 depending on the type of class you are going to enroll in. In a ballroom dancing class, you learn the basic, standard steps to a particular type of music such as tango, waltz, swing, foxtrot, rumba, and samba. Each lesson for competitive or social ballroom dancing is taught in private or group sessions. Here are some of the usual ballroom dancing costs according to class size and ballroom dance type. Group ballroom dancing lessons. The cost per hour for a group ballroom dance lesson ranges from $3 to $25 depending on the location. For the lowest rates, you can find them at community centers and colleges. There are social dancing clubs that offer classes on a weekly basis, which usually cost $3 to $10 per hour. This rate, though, still depends on the skill level of the ballroom dance instructor. Lessons taught by a professional ballroom instructor typically cost $15 to $25 per hour of lesson. This higher rate is worth it because, after 6 to 10 hours, a beginner can dance at a competent level. A small group class, which consists of 2 to 4 pairs, can cost anywhere between $25 and $37 per pair. Private ballroom dance lessons. Private ballroom dance lesson costs higher than the group lessons. It can range from $50 to $200 depending on the location and the skill level of instructor. If you bring a partner, you can split the cost between the two of you. One-on-one ballroom dance lessons allow you to learn a specific step or technique in comfort and ease. The lessons taught here are in combination with the group lessons. Some dance studios offer various ballroom dance lesson packages. An example of a good ballroom dance lesson package cost $430 for 12 lessons. These include 4 group lessons, 4 private lessons, and 4 practice parties. Ballroom Dancer's Dance Sport Lesson. This is the most expensive ballroom dance lesson. It normally comes in a package that consists of 3 to 4 one-on-one lessons per week. This package costs anywhere from $125 to $200 per lesson. In most competitions, the amateur pairs with a professional ballroom dancer. In this setup, though, the amateur usually pays the professional for the lessons. Participating in competitive ballroom dancing is not cheap either. The participant covers his travel, costumes, entrance fees, and the event. The cost can total up to $10,000 or more per year. Intro ballroom dance lessons. Ballroom dance instructors usually offer introductory lessons at a lower rate. This provides you with expectations, such as the teaching style and personality of the instructor when you finally enroll in a class. This is also the time for the instructors to learn your skill level and dancing style. What is expected in a ballroom dancing lesson? The dance studio or room should be huge enough to accommodate the movements of a crowd or pair. The ballroom dancing instructor teaches the students the steps and postures through ballroom music. Additional fees can occur depending on the package. If you are going to join a ballroom dance class through a local dance club, you need to pay for the club membership, which can cost anywhere from $15 to $25 annually. A dance lesson package may also consist of a pair of basic dance shoes. Hence, you need to pay an additional fee of around $60 to $120. If you are training for competitive ballroom dance, you may also be required to purchase a competition gown. A new dress is imperative for every event, and this can cost somewhere between $200 and $300. How to cut ballroom dance lesson costs. Based on the aforementioned costs of ballroom dancing lessons, we can say that ballroom dancing is not a cheap sport or hobby to take on. Aside from the dance instructor's fee, there are other costs associated with ballroom dancing, such as local dance club membership fee, basic shoes, and other logistics. Fortunately, there are techniques and tricks that you can do to reduce the cost. 1. Use dance studios where the dance instructors teach in. This way you don't have to pay for the studio fee in addition to the instructor fee. 2. Wear used dresses to save on the costs of competitive ballroom attire. Some dance studios have cork boards where dancers advertise dresses for sale. Thrift shops or dance shoe stores may sell second-hand dresses too. 3. Join local dance competitions where you don't have to pay for accommodation, travel, and more. Also, no one is held responsible for keeping an eye on your costumes during competitions, but you will be provided with a room to change in your attire. 4. Hiring someone to do your makeup, hair, and nail polish significantly increases your overall cost. If you can do your own makeup or nail polish, do it. You may also want to attend classes or watch video tutorials so you can achieve the look appropriate for ballroom dancing. How to prepare for the lesson. Once you have paid the costs related to ballroom dancing lessons, you now need to prepare yourself. There is nothing to worry about, especially when you come prepared and know what to expect. It is important to keep yourself comfortable during the class, thus always remember to wear the appropriate attire. Your shoes must be securely attached to the feet, and your clothes should allow for dance movements. The clothes you wear for dancing should be breathable so it won't feel warm as you dance. Cotton shirts, slacks, khakis are appropriate for men, and fitting slacks paired with a blouse for women. The final say. Now that you know how much do ballroom dance lessons cost, in conclusion, we can say that they are indeed quite expensive. This is why some people feel that dancing lessons are a huge waste of money and time. If dancing makes you feel good, though, then why not invest in it? Not to mention the health benefits of dancing, it is worth the cost as it keeps your whole body moving to keep you fit and improve your overall mood and health. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more. Until next time, ballroomdanceplanet.com.